Welcome to you in 14th lecture of chemical bonding and molecular structure. इससे पहले हम लोगों ने लेक्चर 13 में पढ़ा था हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. व्हाट इज हाइब्रिडाइजेशन एंड आल्सो एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ sp sp2 एंड sp3 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. उसी को कंटिन्यू करते हुए हम लोग यहाँ पढ़ेंगे sp3d sp3d2 एंड sp3d3 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. आल्सो वी स्टडी डिटरमिनेशन ऑफ हाइब्रिडाइजेशन, यानी किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल या आयन में सेंटर एटम पर कौन सा हाइब्रिडाइजेशन होगा वो कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे उसके बारे में देखेंगे. सो फर्स्ट वी गो on the topic sp3 dehybridization. Clear? sp3d, it means mixing of intermixing of one s 3p and one d orbitals on an atom during chemical bonding is known as sp3 dehybridization. S is the spherical, p are dumbbell shaped in this way and D is double dumbbell shaped. They are intermixed to give 5 orbitals of same energy in this. These are called sp3d hybrid orbitals. Hybrid orbitals. Clear? All 5 have same shape and same energy. How they are arranged? कैसे arranged होंगे वो ध्यान दीजिएगा. From 5 orbitals, 3 are arranged in a plane in triangular manner in this way, and remaining 2 on the perpendicular to the plane. देखिए इसको इस तरह से हम कह सकते हैं in this way arrange होंगे ये in this way, ऐसे triangle manner में. Clear? Each angle will be 120 degree and one will be in this manner. क्लियर इन दिस वे. ऐसे आपका ये जो है इस प्रकार से आपके अरेंज होंगे. एक हम यू मान सकते हैं और नेक्स्ट एक इधर होगा ये. अब जो ये आपका होगा, ठीक, आप देखें इसके हेड से इनके हेड्स को मिलाइए तो आपको एक पिरामिड बनेगा. देयर विल बी 2 पिरामिड्स, एक यहां से एक बॉटम से. द स्ट्रक्चर विल बी बाई पिरामिडल ट्राइंगल and angle of this vertical orbital with the plane will be 90 degree. इसका एग्जांपल देखते हैं हम लोग. PCl5. PCl5. Clear? In PCl5, in ground state, phosphorus configuration atomic number इसका 15 होता है. ठीक, they are 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3 and 3d0. 3d subshell is vacant. There are 2 electrons in 3s orbital and one electron in p orbitals and no any electron in d orbital. But in excited state, one 3s electron is promoted to 3d. The configuration becomes 3s1, 3p3 and 3d3. Sorry, 3d1. So the number of unpaired electrons becomes 5. And orbitals having unpaired electrons becomes 5. These are intermixed and form. This is sp3 dehybridization and produces 5 d orbitals of same energy and same shape in this. ये कैसे अरेंज होगी मैंने बताया भी आपको कि 3 orbitals will be in a plane. In triangle method, each angle will be up 120 degree. In this way, ये सेंटर है, यहाँ 3 ऑर्बिटल्स आपके जो है इन दिस मैनर होंगे ऐसे. क्लियर? ट्राइंगल मैनर में ये आपके कौन से शो किए गए हैं? sp3d ऑर्बिटल्स. ठीक, इन दिस वे ऐसे अरेंज होंगे ये आपके, and then each angle will be of 120 degree. Remaining two orbitals will be perpendicular to the triangle plane in one side and in this side, in this way. Clear? And each sp3d orbital is overlapped with one p orbital of chlorine and give this is structure. Okay? There will be sigma bonds. There are 5 sigma bonds are present. It is the structure of PCl5. Now go. Next structure, sp3d2 hybridization. It means intermixing of 1s, 3p and 2d orbitals. 1s and 3p orbitals and 2d orbitals which are double number shape. The intermixed, this gives 6p orbitals. हम लोगों ने पहले भी कहीं पढ़ा था, total number of orbitals will be equal to the orbitals take part in hybridization. 6 आपके orbitals hybridize में participate कर रहे हैं, 6 orbitals बनेंगे. Example is SF6. Center atom is sulfur. Sulfur has configuration in ground state 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4 and 3d0. In this way, it is vacant. In excited state, one electron from 3p and one electron from 3s are promoted and come in the 3d orbitals. So configuration becomes 3s1, 3p3 and 3d2 in this way. The one electron is promoted from 3s and one from 3p in 3d. Now there becomes there are 6 orbitals having unpaired electrons. These are hybridized. Hybridization is named sp3d2 and give 6 orbitals of same energy. How they are arranged? देखिए किस प्रकार अरेंज होंगे. इसमें 4 ऑर्बिटल्स जो हैं आपके एक प्लेन में स्क्वायर मैनर में होंगे इन दिस वे. ठीक, इस प्रकार से ये अरेंज होंगे स्क्वायर मैनर में. व्हाट विल बी एंगल 90 डिग्री इन अ वन प्लेन स्क्वायर प्लेनर. और बाकी बचे कितने आपके 2 ऑर्बिटल्स, वो इसके परपेंडिकुलर ये होंगे एंड इन दिस. अब यहां शेप कैसा बनेगा वो देखें आप. इसको आप ऐसे मिलें. हाउ मेनी फेसेस विल बी 4. ऐसे जब एक इधर होगा तो कितने बनेंगे 4 फेसेस. टोटल फेसेस विल बी 8. सो स्ट्रक्चर विल बी octahedral. Octahedral in this manner. This is sulfur. Clear? There are 4 orbitals will be in a square manner in this way, and this angle will be of 90 degree. Clear? And each habit orbital hybridized with p orbital of fluorine, and two orbitals will be perpendicular to the plane in this way, where this also will be at 90 degree to the given plane. So structure will be octahedral. Now come on. Next, sp3d3 hybridization. There will be one s, 3p orbitals and 3d orbitals are hybridized to give rise 7 orbitals of same energy and same shape in this way. Clear? Example is IF7. IF7. I के बारे में बात करें, ग्राउंड स्टेट में plate configuration start from 1s2 से इसको स्टार्ट करेंगे and come in the 5s2 5p 5 and 5d0. There will be 2 electrons in the p orbital. There are 5 electrons in this manner and d is vacant. In excited state, its atomic number is 53. The 1s2, 5s1, 5p3 and 5d3. There, one s electron and 2p electrons are promoted by gain of energy and go into d orbitals. Now, these orbitals are hybridized, where 1s, 3p and 3d orbitals are hybridized and give rise 7 orbitals of same energy how they are arranged in iodine after hybridization. कैसे अरेंज होंगे? ये 5 ऑर्बिटल्स हैं हमारे पास में इन दिस वे. ये 5 ऑर्बिटल्स हैं आपके. क्लियर? इनमें इनको आप एक ही प्लेन में, सॉरी 7 ऑर्बिटल्स हैं, इसमें 5 को आप एक ही प्लेन में रखिए इन दिस वे, ऐसे. ठीक, इन दिस वे जो है इनको आप अरेंज करिए इन दिस वे. क्लियर? कितना एंगल बनेगा? 360 अपॉन 5, 72 डिग्री. 72 डिग्री. इस प्रकार से अरेंज होंगे एंड ईच एंगल विल बी ऑफ 72 डिग्री. 72 डिग्री अरेंज होगा इन दिस मैनर. ये आपके एफ मॉलिक्यूल्स. और बाकी दो, ये तो प्लेन में आपके हो गए, और बाकी दो बचे आपके इन दिस मैनर, प्लेन के परपेंडिकुलर वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन में। दिस मेक 90 डिग्री एंगल विद प्लेन। क्लियर? प्लेन में मान लीजिए आपका ये था हमारे पास में इस प्रकार से, क्लियर? और ये जो बीच में स्ट्रक्चर बन रहा था प्लेन कैसा था, पेंटागोनल। अब इनके हेड्स को मिलाएंगे आप तो पिरामिड बनेगा। एक ऐसे नीचे से बनेगा पिरामिड इन दिस वे, सो देयर विल बी टू पिरामिड्स बाइपिरामिडल, एंड बीच में क्या बना, पेंटागोनल। सो स्ट्रक्चर विल बी पेंटागोनल बाइपिरामिडल। ठीक, तो रिमेनिंग टू will be in this direction, in this way. Yes. So it is the structure of IF7. Now another topic, determination of hybridization. How you decide types of hybridization on center atom, उसके लिए ध्यान दीजिएगा। Find out total number of sigma bonds and lone pairs on central atom. Let it is small n, by which decide hybridization. Suppose n is equal to sigma plus lone pair, ये आपको फाइंड आउट करना, सबसे बेस्ट तरीका है। Suppose sum of both is 2. 2 means that 2 orbitals take part in hybridization. Where will be 1s, 1p. If n comes 3, then you take 3 orbitals, 1s and 2p. 4 sp3. P subshell has maximum 3p orbitals. P4 possible. Suppose n value is 5. Clear? Yeah. Then it will be 1s, 3p, come 6, then sp3, d2, and 7, then sp3, d3. We see some examples. Suppose taken beryllium hydride. We make a structure in this way. On central atom is beryllium. So on beryllium, you find total number of sigma bonds and lone pairs. It has 2 sigma bonds and it has no any lone pair, because you know there its configuration is 1s2, 2s2. 2 electrons which are bonded, no any electron remaining. So they are sigma plus lone pair, they are 2 plus 0, they are 2. For 2, hybridization will be sp. Now we go boron trichloride. Boron trichloride. You find on the boron. Structure of boron is in this way. There are 3 sigma bonds are present. So total number of sigma plus lone pair is 3 plus 0. Boron has atomic number 523, only 3 electrons which are bonded, no any lone pair. For 3, hybridization will be sp2. In the same way, we go on methane. You find hybridization on carbon. You know structures in this way. There are 4 sigma bonds are present. N is equal to sigma plus lone pair. Clear? The sigma is 4 lone pair of 4, 1s, 3p, 4 are completed. So there will be sp3 hybridization. Clear? Now we go for H2O, ammonia. First you see structure of ammonia, you know in this way. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7, 2, 5 configuration. 5 valence electrons are present, where 3 are bonded and 1 lone pair is present. So on nitrogen atom, sigma plus lone pairs, 1, 2, 3 sigma present, and lone pair is 1. So there, sum is 4. Configuration, hybridization will be sp3. In the same way, we go for H2O. Central atom is oxygen. You find hybridization on oxygen in this way. You know, in oxygen, 6 valence electrons are present, in which 2 take part in bonding and 4 as a lone pairs. So these are sigma bonds and these are lone pairs. So sigma plus lone pair means they are 2 plus 2, they are 4. So there will be sp3 hybridization. Now we take another example of ammonium ion. In ammonium ion, center atom is nitrogen. Bonding is present in this way. There really one coordinate bond is present, which is taken as a covalent bond. This is also a form of sigma bonds. There are 4 sigma bonds are present. No any electron pair. So there sigma plus lone pair. Sigma bonds are 4. No lone pair. और 4 के लिए क्या होगा? sp3 hybridization. Then we go CO2. With the structure, find hybridization on central atom. You know, on the double bond 1 sigma, 1 pi bond is present. On carbon atom, you find sigma plus lone pair, 2 sigma, and no lone pair. So therefore 2 hybridization will be sp. Now you find out on carbonate ion. You make a structure. Structure will be in this way. ये आपका बनता है स्ट्रक्चर. On central atom carbon, 1 sigma, 2, 3. 3 sigma are present. So there 3 plus 0. 3 के लिए कौन सा होगा? sp2 hybridization. Now we take some other examples. PCl3 and PCl5. We go structure of both structures in this way. and one lone pair is present. 1, 2, 3, there are 3 sigma bonds. So there are 3 plus 1, there are 4. For 4, hybridization will be sp3. But in the case of PCl5, you know, bonding occurs in this way. There are no lone pairs present on the phosphorus, but there are total number of sigma bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 0. It comes 5. 5 के लिए क्या होगा? What will be hybridization? sp3d. Clear? In the same way, for SF6, human structures in this way. Now, 6 sigma bonds are present and no lone pairs present. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. For 6, 1s, 3p and 2d orbitals. So we can decide hybridization on central atom by this method. It's more convenient method for determination of hybridization. Clear? ये आपका hybridization complete होता है. इसको समझें, एंजॉय करें, चैनल लाइक करें, शेयर करें और श्योरली सब्सक्राइब करें. ओके.